Right then guys, let's go for a little cruise on this bad boy. Been a bit of a stressful week, it'll be good to go for a little rip. So here in England, if you're thinking of getting one of these quads on the road, we'll be doing a few videos on the difference in power, which one you should go for, how they are, taxing, insuring them, and all that good stuff. So I've been riding quads for a few years now, so this is my first sort of real big expensive one. But these 1000cc ones here in England, I mean, they've got more than enough power to cope with the roads, and it's just something a bit fun, isn't it? A bit different. Ooh. So we'll take that. Right, well, let's go for a rip. See, that's the good thing about the 1000ccs, you know, like when you're trying to pull on, indicator on, boop. So we'll go right. Plenty of power to do all stuff like that. Bit of traffic here. Come on a second. Bloody always roadworks around here. Oh, it gets to 60 like there's nothing. See that, like getting smoked by a Mercedes, and he's speeding. We'll catch up to him. So yeah, here in England you can ride quads on the road, but not really many people do it. Oh, a bit of a slide there. Woohoo! See you, Mr. Mercedes. You overtook me, you were speeding, and I still caught up to you anyway. This old guy in this Mercedes is well in a rush. So when I'm road riding around here, I'm keeping my power steering on max at the minute. I might drop it down a little bit, but it's a bit light on the old steering, which is a bit of a weird feeling because my old quad was a 2007 Renegade and you had to throw that thing round. It was quite good fun, really. Yeah, now we're going to be stuck with our knees. That's it, turn off, Mr. Lorry. Gonna have a drag race with this old boy in a Mercedes. Off he goes up. Really comfy to ride though. If you're definitely in the market for one of these big road quads in England, the Seaforce and this is pretty good. I can't see anything now. Apart from my helmet, it's a new helmet, and squashing my cheek, so it sounds like I'm chewing on a load of gravel, so I'm trying to sort that out, so I do apologise. So if you're starting to like the content, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. We're going to be doing some crazy rides like this. All the time. Alright, at least I can see now. Indicator off. To get out for half an hour. And we're done.